Good evening, folks. January the 1st. Happy New Year's 2023. RV Diagnostics. Here we are, folks. We have it installed. We're getting ready in the morning to do a fire test. All right, I got it hooked up. There's your thermostat hanging back there. Let's see, way back here. All right, there we go. Whoopee-doo, right? I hadn't mounted it yet because it came on, the heat and all, so it's 60 back here now. That ain't too bad. Still got Christmas stuff to put away once I get it all together. I don't like climbing up there too much. There's a bunch of RV parts. You know how it is. Well, anyway, there it is. They were supposed to send a 24. It's on the invoice, but they sent a 12, which means when I do my clean out, it's going to hit. But right now, I'm just going to get fired up. They got it on the way. It goes straight up. It's double wall. And it's double wall stainless up there. It was fun being up there on the roof 2 days in a row. We already had a rain test, leak test. It was light rain. I got 2 cords of kiln dried wood coming because this has got a refractor in it. So there you go. As I promised you, some upgrades. Little by little, because we got, I don't know, we got 2 Monaco Camelots in here, the same, practically within the same year of each other. We got a Sea Alpha back here, Class A, gold. What else we got? We got Class C, got to do some front end work on. Got another Class A, I got to do those hydraulic solenoids on. They were leaking. Wow, there's something else back there I forgot. There's a bunch of stuff back there. All right, so once again, thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Happy New Year. We are in the new year 2023. And don't say it can't get worse. All right, take care.